Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0600O in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. On the frame are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a cat eye shape. Its temples are Havana and its temple tips are gold. You'll also find the Gucci pattern on its temples and the GG Gucci emblem. As well as on the other side. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo and the serial number. On the inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its bottom right lens. These glasses are also made in Japan. The glasses come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a Gucci dust bag, a Gucci white and black cleaning cloth, and a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci card of authenticity. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.